Hi, my name is Tanvir. A common question that gets asked during the interviews is how would you define a good working atmosphere or how would you define a good working environment? To answer this question, consider two major points. First is the work you would like to do, second is the people you would be working with. Now, think about this. A good work environment would provide you with good work, good opportunities for your career development, and the people at your workplace or in your team should make work harmonious for you, give you respect, value you and your inputs, and the set of values that the workplace advocates and the people in it has should be similar to your values that you possess and you believe in. Now, think and write or take a note about these ideas on the above 2 points. For example, what do you expect when you think of good work in terms of technology or domain knowledge or areas of expertise which you would like to build upon your career? Do not get stuck on the very specific topics or technologies or areas which you think are good for you or you think have a good future or are fancy in the market. Try to research about the company you are interviewing for, read, Google, and ask the interviewer what the areas or domains they work in, what are their technologies they are using, and align your answer to the same topics or areas. For example, if you find out that the company uses Java technology to create business software and you have experience in neither of those, you don't know Java and you don't know about business applications, try to tell them and show them that you are interested to learn and how your past learnings, how your past experiences are aligned with the work that the company does, and you are teachable and you can learn and upskill yourselves and align your skills to the company's offerings. And second point about the behavioral, this is very important because we tend to spend some 8 to 10 hours of our life with the people we work with, so becomes very important that our personal values are aligned with the people there and the values that the organization advocates. For example, it could be honesty or integrity or transparency or open and constructive feedback culture. There are many things that you value. You might value people over money, you might value relationships over money. Try to prioritize these things when you are answering these questions to the interviewer, and let them know that you look for these things as well when it comes to a good working environment or good atmosphere. Thanks.